What's up, Beeves? It's Lydia. Welcome back to the College of Liberal Arts YouTube channel. Today is a pretty special day because I get the honor of kicking off our new series called That's a Class, where our team shares with y'all a little bit about some unique classes at OSU. Today, I'm going to talk a bit about a class called Creative Coasts. Throughout the duration of this course, students spend their entire time at Cape Perpetua State Park on the Oregon coast. There, they will live in the group campground that's on site. And during class hours, students will engage with Cape Perpetua to create art of all kinds. I had the pleasure of taking this class this summer, and it was by far my favorite class experience of all time. Getting to connect with people and nature through my passion of photography and film was just absolutely incredible. And since it's a repeatable course, I definitely plan on taking it again next summer. Lastly, to give you all a bit more of a feel of what to expect from this course, here are some of my peers from the session that I took this summer.
Creative Coast happens at the intersection of art, science, history, and advocacy. Much like how Cape Perpetua exists at the intersection of the forest, sea, and human habitation.
The perfect people makes any trip awesome. So my highlight was all the awesome people I spent time with.
Creative Coast was an excellent way to meet fun new people while also working on creative projects. We all have different creative outlets, and it's quite inspiring to see the ways that other people's minds work. There are so many ways to be creative, and this class was an excellent way to be surrounded by other artists and ocean enthusiasts while challenging each other to create more.